In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from HubSpot. We'll start right inside HubSpot. First, head to the specific object you want to export from. For example, if you need people records, go to CRM and choose Contacts. The same flow works for companies, deals, tickets, or any other object you manage. Next, decide which records you want included by choosing a view. You can use a saved view you already rely on, or select the default All Records view to export everything you have access to. Remember, your export will match exactly what's shown in the view, so this choice controls which rows make it into your file. If you want to narrow things further, apply filters using the filter bar. This step is optional, but it's a great way to refine by criteria like lifecycle stage, owner, create date, or pipeline. Take a moment to confirm you're seeing the right subset before moving on, because the export will respect the filters you've set. Now it's time to initiate the export. If you're looking at a table view, you'll find an export button in the top right. Click that to proceed. If you're working in deals and you're on the board view, open Board Options and select Export View. HubSpot supports exporting from both layouts, but the button lives in different places depending on the view you're using. With the export modal open, configure your settings. Start with the file format. Choose CSV for maximum compatibility and easy imports into most tools, or XLSX and XLS if you prefer native spreadsheet files. Then choose which properties to include. Selecting all properties in view will export only the columns you currently see, keeping your file focused and lighter. If you need everything stored on each record, choose All Properties on Records for a comprehensive dataset. Finally, select the language for your column headers. This only changes how the column names are labeled in your file. It doesn't translate your underlying data. Pick the language your team will find most readable in a spreadsheet. When everything looks good, click Export. HubSpot will start preparing your file in the background. You'll receive an email with a secure download link, and you'll also get an in-app notification in HubSpot when the export is ready. For larger datasets, this may take a little longer, so keep an eye on your notifications. When the link arrives, download the file and open it to confirm you've got the correct rows and columns. That's it. By choosing the right view, applying optional filters, and setting the format and properties you need, you can quickly export clean, usable data from HubSpot.